I'm just looking at it the way I see it on my Zoom screen. So I always go in that order. Anyway, we got our Director of Network Marketing, Nader Kazan.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen.
And we've got our awesome Director of Product Education, Lisa Goodkin.
Hi, everyone.
Awesome. So we've got a lot of stuff to cover tonight. I want to jump right in. First of all, welcome to Livegood for all of our members, our new members who have joined this week and affiliates. Welcome aboard. You really could not have picked a better time to get involved in anything than right now with Livegood. We put in almost 25,000 new members this week alone, over 5,000 just today, over 200,000 members in our first 4 months since we launched this new system, which is super, super exciting. But at the same time, guys, we are just getting started. This is the very beginning, and you are one of the first people on the planet to learn about what we're doing and have the opportunity to position yourself in front of it and really align yourself with a company that is revolutionizing the network marketing industry, the way products are sold, and just everything that we're doing as you're about to learn. So first of all, I'm going to just start with a real quick story for you guys, and then I'm going to turn it over to my good friend, our Director of Network Marketing, Nader Kazan, to talk more about the timing and positioning that we're in right now and how perfect it really is. So first of all, Nader and I go back a long ways. We've both been in this industry for over 20 years, started in the field as distributors. We're very fortunate, learned a lot of stuff, struggled at the beginning just like everybody does, but figured it out. And, we're very fortunate to have had a lot of success in the network marketing industry. Again, starting as distributors, moving on to the consulting side and business ownership, run some of the most successful companies in the industry, which has been just awesome. Most importantly, because of the amazing people we've had the opportunity to meet and become friends with. So it's been an amazing ride. But at the same time, over the last 5-10 years, what I've realized is that this dream that we talk about in the network marketing industry, where you can come in, work hard for 3 to 5 years and build up that big residual income that's going to continue coming in for years and years to come, it just wasn't happening for most people. In fact, it was happening for less than 1% of the people who were getting into this industry. And, so what we were seeing is that people weren't able to duplicate. They weren't able to build a team. They weren't able to have success in this industry. And it just, and at the same time, just so you guys understand how the industry works, all these product companies, supplements, nutritional products, skincare products, most of these products cost anywhere from $8 to $12 to make, some more, some less, depending on the ingredients, the size, all that stuff. But companies have to sell them for $60, $80, even over $100 to be able to pay out a lot of commissions in a compensation plan to make it look attractive to a lot of people. The challenge is that most people aren't making money, but they're having to overpay for products that they may or may not need, that oftentimes end up in their cabinet or in their garage, just so they can stay qualified in a company, hoping that one day they might be successful. And that didn't sit well with me, because there's a lot of great products that have come out of the network marketing industry. The challenge is when you're selling them for 60 or 80 bucks, there's a very limited amount of people who will continue to buy them for the long term. And that's why if you look at the statistics in the network marketing industry, the average person stays in a company for under 3 months. It's 2.8 months before they move on to something else or give up or just decide that this isn't for them. And, that's a challenge. And so that wasn't, I didn't feel good about promoting an opportunity and selling overpriced products. And so 4 years ago, I completely walked away from this industry that's really given me so much. I had a very successful company at the time. I sold it, merged it into another company, made sure all my people were taken care of. That was my most important thing. And I was done. I was completely done, and I was happy with that decision. But at the same time, Nader and I have been talking about this concept of Livegood and of being able to offer people the highest quality products on the planet for prices that they can actually afford, so that they can get the benefit from the product and continue to use it every month, every year, as long as they want it and as long as they're getting benefit from it, because the price tag is not going to deter them from making that purchase. And that's exactly what we've created with Livegood. But at the same time, this was 4 years ago. I wasn't ready to come back in to the industry. I was done. And, Nodder continued to follow up with me. We're good friends outside of the industry as well. So we talk all the time. And, he just kept nudging, kept pushing. And all I saw was this industry kind of going the wrong direction even more. And so about a year ago, we made the decision that, it's time to do this. It's time to fix an industry that needs to be fixed. That's been broken for so long. And so that's exactly what we've done with Livegood, and we're super excited. And I think the numbers really speak volumes for the need that we've created in the industry, and the recognition that this is something that people have been craving. This is something that people have been wanting, and something that people can do. And we'll talk more about the duplication, how easy this is to build here in a second. But so I just wanted to share that with you, because that's, really how Livegood was created. We want to do the right thing. We want to build something for the long term that everyone can have success with, both physically and financially. Physically meaning with our life-changing products. And guys, when you understand this business model and what we could put into this as far as our product line and, everything that we can add to it, and we'll talk about that here in a second, it's hard to not see what we're doing, or as I say, to unsee what you're about to hear tonight. So with that, I'm going to turn it over to my good friend, our director of network marketing, Nodder Kazan. For those of you who don't know him, I mean, this guy really is a legend in the network marketing industry. He's had a lot of success in all aspects of the industry, but most importantly, he has helped a lot of people become successful in the industry. And you can tell by the friends he's made, by the contacts he has, and just by the work ethic that he has. I mean, this guy will answer the phone all the time. He'll jump on any Zoom with you. He'll do everything he can to help you every single day, every way that he possibly can. And he loves every minute of it. And, that's what makes him such a perfect fit in what we're doing with Livegood, and just such a perfect partner and just leader in the company. So with that, Nodder, take it away.
Oh, Ben, oh, Ben, oh, Ben. Thank you, brother. Thank you for the kind words. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, him and I, we used to sit in front of this building that we were involved in this company. My wife was pregnant with our daughter, who's 24 now, so that tells you. We used to sit in his Eclipse that he found the deal that Mitsubishi wouldn't take a car payment, or they didn't have car payments for a year. And of course, the dream of network marketing. He mentioned it last week on the Zoom. I mean, it gave me chills because it was so true. Listening to Anthony Robbins doing lunch, if we took a lunch, and he said, oh, I don't even need to wait a year. I'm going to pay this thing up in 6 months. Ladies and gentlemen, again, thank you so much, Ben, for coming out of early retirement, brother. I know you didn't need to do this, but I know your heart. I know your passion. I know how this industry has blessed you and I and so many others, and it's just time to give back. And you know what? Yes, you did me a huge favor to do this for everyone, but you are a very brilliant businessman, and timing is everything. You've been known to be the person who finds the right products, the right timing, the perfect compensation plan that's designed to help the masses. So ladies and gentlemen, this is what happened. Just like Ben shared with you, I had a Jerry Maguire moment a few years ago. Got up and said, hey, this is crazy. He was already done with the industry. Because like he said, we entered this industry in hopes of, working hard, part-time with a full-time, attitude, and saving some money and hopefully walking away from our regular income. And we just noticed it wasn't true. He saw it sooner than I did. I guess I was a little bit stubborn, so I stuck around. But when I had that Jerry Maguire moment, and a lot of people remind me, including my own wife, that I look nothing like Tom Cruise, but it was just crazy where the industry is going. It's a great industry. We love the industry, but it's the days of making products for $5 and sell it to everyday people, the single mothers for 80 or 90, just so people on top of the comp plan gets paid on it. It's just over. So we started looking at trends. And again, like I shared with you, he's very good at looking at trends. Let's do this real quick, ladies and gentlemen. You got traditional network marketing companies, awesome companies with great products, unfortunately overpriced, that their volume is coming down. We're talking publicly traded network marketing companies, multi-billion-dollar companies that are dropping at 2 digits. Again, they're reporting them every year. Reports just came out for 2022. But then we're looking at other trends such as club membership. Look at Costco. 110 million people, ladies and gentlemen, are giving Costco $10 a month. To do what? To save $3 on 5 gallons of ketchup? to buy 2 gallons of milk, so maybe save some money, but they're paying it. Look up Amazon Prime. 160 million people are paying Amazon $9.95 a month. The future of commerce is club membership. We know network marketing works. You put those two together, you come up with Livegood. Ladies and gentlemen, it's all about timing. The world realizes that we need to be healthy. You all saw what happened to the planet 2 years ago. One of the main reasons Ben came out of the retirement and we started with the most advanced nutritional products made by the Goodkins was because of the awareness. Again, it's all about being at the right time at the right place. The world knows needs to be healthy. We have the most advanced nutritional products that no other company in our industry can ever afford to market at these prices. Come with 100% money back guarantee. You got 65 million people in the world that know the power of this industry and are kind of sick and tired of being price gouged. So, as I said earlier, the days of overpaying for products, so maybe some people on top of the compensation plan can get paid on it, is over. Back to you, Ben.
Hey, thanks so much, Nader. Hey, Tom Cruise would be lucky to look like you. But to finish that story about my eclipse, because I don't want people to get the wrong impression. Yeah, I got into this industry of network marketing. I was fired up, working hard every day. Thought I was going to be a millionaire in 6 months and pay that thing off and be fine. And that didn't happen. I struggled in the industry, just like, as I mentioned, as so many of us do when we get started. Lived on credit because I knew I was going to be a millionaire. So I quit my job immediately. Not a good decision. Don't do that. Lived on credit cards for 2 years, ended up filing bankruptcy 2 years later. Car was almost repossessed. I was hiding it at my wife's house. She was my girlfriend at the time. But it ended up well. It was a good story. Sometimes you have to go through stuff to learn. As I mentioned last night, you either win or you learn. And that was a great experience. In fact, it was more of I consider it a win, actually, not even a win and a learning experience. Because I learned credit cards bad, debt bad. Since then, I've never had a credit card again, paid everything in cash. And it's been not that necessarily needs to be the way things are done, but it was an awesome experience. So anyway, just wanted to make sure that, because it sounded like the way you explained it, Nader, that it happened, but it didn't happen the way I wanted it to. It actually happened differently, and I think better for the long term. Definitely some good stuff. So anyway, but yeah, guys, club memberships are going up. You look at traditional business and not just network marketing, but the higher end products. People are shifting their buying habits away from higher end things to more value. And you can see that. I mean, you look at the publicly traded companies, as Nader mentioned, in the stock market. You see Walmart actually exploding while big companies are coming down. Herbalife, for example, is selling overpriced products. Nu Skin, not to bash network marketing companies, but when you're selling overpriced products, the consumer is getting smarter and they're not going to continue to buy it. And that's why those numbers are coming down. And that's why Livegood is absolutely exploding with momentum right now. That's exactly what we created. The highest quality products on the planet for prices that anyone can afford. And we'll give you a couple examples here in a minute. But first, I'm going to turn it over to my good friends, our awesome product people, if you will. I'm going to start with Lisa Goodkin, our amazing director of product education. I mean, when it comes to health and wellness, guys, because being healthy is so much more than just taking a product. It involves exercise, sleeping right, eating right, doing so many different things. And nobody lives it and breathes it more than our director of product education, Lisa Goodkin. I'll let her talk about that and how these products, in addition to doing the right thing and being healthy overall, can help you. But I'll add what I want to say. She'll probably say it, so I don't want to say it before her. Anyway, Lisa Goodkin, director of product education, take it away.
Awesome. Thank you, Ben. And hello, everyone. Yes, health and wellness is my passion. I've been passionate about it. I mean, really, honestly, since my super younger years, but I've been really hands-on involved in it for the past 20 years. And really, my goal is to help you get healthy and stay healthy. This has always been my goal. So that comes through education. And with education, providing you guys with the material to use the education I'm providing. Here we are with the supplements. So where do I want to start? So first off, what do we want to do with our health? We need to prioritize our health. And you have two options. Do you want to wait until you're healthy for so long, until your health starts to decline, and then, oh, you're sick and now you're on medication? Or do you want to be healthy and continue to stay healthy and avoid that route of getting on medication? I think we all want the second route, but a lot of people just don't know where and how to begin. And that's why I'm here to help you. Like Ben said, it's not just one thing. We are not about a quick fix at all, guys. I'm not going to tell you, you asked me a question, you sent me an email, how can I lose weight? How can I curb my appetite? It's more than that. And I'm going to help you do that. It's really the lifestyle balance, as well as supplementing our healthy diet with things that we're not getting from our diet. And yes, in theory, we would love to say we're getting everything that we need from our diet, but we're not. Our food system is not the same as it used to be. We are making horrible choices. We're not sleeping well. We're stressed out. We drink too much. I mean, the list can go on. And all these things, and not to mention the toxins that are involved in everywhere, that you can't avoid that unless you're living in a bubble. All those things take away those nutrients from our body. So we have to replace them. We need to eat healthy, and then we have to supplement to make sure all those nutrient deficiencies are filled. And that's where these Livegood supplements come into play. I mean, from everything from our daily essentials pack that you've got to be on, guys. I mean, your vitamin D, your multivitamin, and your magnesium, these are daily things. Our factor 4, which I know is going to be a small little delay, I think, where it's out, but your factor 4, very, very, very important for inflammation. It's got your fish oil, your CoQ10, your turmeric, your garlic. And then, our powders. And one I actually want to highlight tonight is, I feel like it's a little bit of an unsung hero. It's our super greens. We don't talk much about the super greens. I feel like we've been pushing a lot of other things, but guys, I eat a lot of vegetables. I love vegetables. And I hope you do too, but I don't want you to think that this is something that's like replacing your vegetables, because if you read the ingredients, the things that are in here, I mean, you have chlorella, spirulina, moringa, matcha. I mean, these are all things, dandelion root. I mean, so first of all, tons of super high antioxidants, as well as like the dandelion root, super great for detox. Aloe vera, great for your gut. There's probiotics in here. This is not just like, okay, this is my broccoli in powder form. These are things that you're not getting on a daily basis. You have to take these every day. Yes. Super, super important. So there's just so many things. So it's really about being proactive about your health. Okay, instead of reactive about your health. Take care of yourself before you get sick. And if you are in that sick state, guys, that's not the end. You can get healthy. And I'm here, and we're here as Livegood to help you get healthy and stay healthy. And we've made these products affordable prices that everybody can afford, so there's no excuse. So again, email me, guys. I love helping, love your questions. Oh, I do have a couple testimonials. I always put these aside and then I forget last minute. That wasn't it. Here we are. Okay. I have been using factor 4 magnesium, D3 super reds, and the multivitamin a few months. Previous to using Livegood products, my blood pressure was 160/90 on April 18th. So this is very new. I went to the doctor and they took my blood pressure and it was 123/78. The products are working. Super cool. Here's somebody else. I'm in love with this organic coffee that I tried for the first time today. I felt sustained energy and mental clarity with no crash or jitters. I love that it has fiber, maca, green tea, and mushrooms too. It replaces several products I used to take, and it's only $17.95. Pretty cool. So love you guys. Thank you. And back to you, Ben.
Lisa, really quick, thank you so much. Should people wait till they get sick to take these?
Oh, no, we don't wait to get sick to take something. If you are in that state, yes, let's take it. We're probably going to amp it up a little bit to get yourself back to where you are. What did I? But no, we want to take these prior to, so we don't get sick.
Yeah, exactly. Awesome. Thank you so much. And I just want to, Lisa mentioned like 5 of our products, but the daily essentials, there's a reason they're called daily essentials. That's our multivitamin. People should be taking every single day. Our vitamin D, guys, COVID exposed that almost everyone who got COVID was deficient in vitamin D. There's a reason we need vitamin D. And our magnesium that I know Ryan's going to talk about, so I'm not going to put too much emphasis on it right now, but it is an amazing product that you guys need to be taking every single day. I mean, to get all three of these products anywhere, you're going to be spending about $100 at Livegood. Highest quality of all three, highest quality multivitamin, highest quality vitamin D3 with K2, highest quality magnesium complex, which means it has the two most powerful forms of magnesium on the planet to help you be healthy. All three for $29.95. Not each, all three are daily essential pack for $29.95. You mentioned our super greens. Guys, other companies are selling this for $50-$60. Ours is $18 for our members. I mean, aloe, wheatgrass. I was taking notes. Probiotics. One of my favorites is spirulina, the most nutrient-dense superfood on the planet. I mean, you could build a product completely around spirulina alone. It is amazing. For that ingredient alone, you need the super greens, and all the other awesome stuff in it, guys, is just icing on the cake. It is awesome. Coffee. Other companies are selling not even organic coffee. Doesn't even have the mushrooms for brain function and other positive things for your body for $60-$70. Our fully organic weight management coffee with mushrooms, $17.95. Guys, highest quality coffee on the planet. I mean, from a competition perspective, not only are you saving a lot of money, but from the business side, you have a huge opportunity to go out there and attract a lot of people who are buying these products from other places for a lot more for not even as high quality products. Hopefully that made sense. It is a huge opportunity here, guys. You need the products, but the opportunity to be able to share them with other people is even more exciting. So with that, I'm going to turn it over. We got a lot more to cover tonight, a lot more excitement, but my good friend, our doctor, our director of product education, product development, Dr. Ryan Goodkin, this guy is amazing. I mean, the care and just everything that he puts into creating every single one of these products, and it goes with all the ingredients. He knows every single ingredient in every single product, where it's sourced from, what farm it's from, what part of the planet it comes from, what rainforest it comes from. He puts only the highest quality stuff in there, make sure that there's nothing negative in there, which is just as important. Because when you're putting pesticides in a product, or you have products that have ingredients that are not organic, or you have, what's the word when it's to extend the life of it? You guys know what I'm talking about. Ryan, I'll say it. The
shelf life?
No. What's the stuff you put in stuff to make it last longer?
Preservatives.
No preservatives in our products. So with that, Ryan, call's yours.
Hey, cool. Thanks a lot, Ben. Ben, how do you hear me?
Perfect.
How's my hair look?
Excellent.
Great.
The hair and makeup nailed it. That's so good to know.
I'm going to give you a salute.
Yeah. Hey, my 9-year-old called me a dork when she saw me cut my hair. I was like, oh, that's awesome. Hey, but you know what's fun? I'm listening to you guys. You guys are so awesome. You know, we've all sort of seen the light. Ben, you've seen the light. You just talked about it. Naughter, same with you. Lisa didn't mention it, but Lisa was a founding employee of a cardiac rehab facility at a local hospital. She's seen the light. Like, she's come out of it going, I don't want to be part of the sick care model. I can have an impact somewhere else. So like Ben and Naughter thought they could do, and they are revolutionizing the MLM industry. From my perspective, I was a disenchanted pharmacist. I was working the bench in a large pharmacy and eventually on my own. And I said, this isn't the right place for me. This sick care model just does not work. But I did get a great education, and they do teach a lot about quality, because of course there's quality control with pharmaceuticals and all of that stuff. But I learned a lot about over-the-counter stuff and dietary supplements. So I plucked, when we started looking at this business, I thought, oh, this is going to be fun, because now I can pluck out the pearls, the good stuff. So we talked about a few. I'm just going to give you like some awesome examples. Daily Essentials Pack. We borrow science from pharmacy, from big pharma. The Daily Essentials Pack. So the multivitamin has B vitamins. We know there's prescription B vitamins. We know that. We know the magnesium is used in the hospital for blood pressure, high blood pressure in pregnant women. It's very safe. It's used for high blood pressure. We know it's involved in bone health. We know now that it's involved in stress and sleep. It's involved in over 300 chemical reactions in the body. It's crazy. It's such an important mineral. It's magnificent, really, is what it is. And then D3, again, another pharmaceutical. They do 50,000 units per week in theirs. Ours is 2,000, and it's more bioavailable. And so, there's another one. Check this out, the Super Reds. Guys, Super Reds is really, it's a whole foods based product. It's high in dietary nitrates. It works the exact same pathway Viagra works. It works the same pathway as nitroglycerin, right? I mean, it works the same way a blood pressure medicine works. So if you're having chest pain and it's called angina, they actually give you nitroglycerin. It's an organic nitrate. I mean, it's crazy. Here's another great one of my favorites, absolute favorites, and we will have to mention that we are on back order now. But Factor 4, this fish oil is used in prescription Lovaza, and so I would call ours far superior and say it's better because we've gotten a one of a kind only type of on the market. And so there is a way, and thank you, Lisa. Thank you for bringing up the being the proactive and the preventive medicine approach, because that was the light for me. That is my calling. That's my passion. I want to help everybody be able to educate, get healthier, get to stay healthy. I mean, that's really what we need to be investing in. The trend of chronic disease is going in the wrong direction, and the numbers are still going up. So we have got to put a stop to it. It's not good. We're just absolutely, like Lisa said, we're making poor choices. We're not taking the proper supplements. Maybe a lot of it's education. So hopefully Livegood, Ben, I'm fingers crossed. I know it is. Hopefully Livegood is the shining light. It's the light for everybody else. They've been frustrated in other businesses, right, Nader?
Yes.
I think Livegood's the light, man. Dude.
Yes.
So I'm super passionate about it. But Ben, I'll send it back to you because I'm sure you have a couple questions for me.
You want some questions? All right, so let's talk about magnesium. You brought it up. I mean, I wrote down some notes before because I was going to talk about it, but what benefits does magnesium have? Why do people need it every single day?
Oh, 100% we know that magnesium is involved in bone health and strength and muscle recovery. We know that. And if you ever hear me talk about the importance of maintaining bone density and lean muscle mass, you know that magnesium is a big player in that. I mean, come on, 300 chemical reactions in the body? Magnesium's a pretty big deal.
Yeah, magnesium's huge. Heart health, bone mass, helps with sleep, helps exercise performance, stress. I mean, this is something you guys need to be taking every single day. I love that you brought up the Super Reds. Super Reds is actually our #1 selling product, probably the most powerful heart health cardiovascular product ever created.
Agreed.
Fully organic. I mean, it is amazing. You guys need to be taking it every single day. It's awesome. You know, Lisa shared that testimonial about the blood pressure. You talk about helping with blood pressure, vasodilation, opening the blood vessels, letting the blood flow more freely and cleanly and healthily. That product is awesome. We've got an awesome video on it too. If you search YouTube for Livegood Super Reds, you'll find it. We're putting up some landing pages and stuff, making one for all the products. But yeah, just so, I mean, guys, keep in mind, this opportunity is brand new. We just turned this on about 4 months ago, just over 4 months ago. It's December 13th. So 4 months and 1 week ago, over 200,000 members have already joined us, taking advantage of these amazing products, the amazing discounts and savings on the product, and our exciting opportunity. And so, you know, we talked a lot about the products tonight, and guys, you definitely need them, whether you decide to align yourself with us from the business perspective or not. But I know a lot of you guys, this is an opportunity call, and I know you're on here to learn about the compensation plan, the power line, the growth, the momentum, the excitement, and how you can take advantage of it and really position yourself in front of it. So let's jump right in and talk about that. So first of all, you know, as I mentioned at the beginning of the call, over 5,000 new members today, over 25,000 this week alone, coming up on 100,000 for the month, which is absolutely crazy. You know, talk about just 5,000 for the day. Most companies in the network marketing industry don't even have 5,000 members total. And that's just, you know, we're not even done with the day yet. So there's a lot of momentum right now in Livegood. People are recognizing what we're doing, how we're changing the industry, how we're revolutionizing the industry. As Nader says, how we are evolving. He says evolution and not revolution, or both. I don't know what he says, but it's awesome. And that's exactly what we are doing. I'll let him clarify in a little bit. But it's true, you know, guys, this industry hasn't changed in so long. And, you know, no other aspect of our life will we accept to overpay for stuff that you can find on Amazon for half the price. But somehow in network marketing, people have been doing it for years and years and years and continue to pitch it, continue to sell it, and continue to convince their friends that they're getting a good deal when they're just not. And that's just how it is. And, now for the first time ever, we've just reversed the way that this industry works. And now for a $9.95 a month membership, $10 a month, you use one of our products a month and you're saving more than you're spending to be a member in the company. Most people are buying at least 4 or 5 products. Some people are like me. I mean, I think I'm using 9 of our amazing products, pretty much all of them. I'm not a coffee drinker. That's the only one I don't drink. Although coffee has been one of our most popular products, people are absolutely loving it. It's really just a breath of fresh air. It's an easy company to be able to share it with because there's no product purchase requirement. You actually don't have to buy any of the products to be an active affiliate or member in the company. You want to, and you can when you want. And most people do because they're awesome. But that's another cool thing. And it's kind of how we've changed things around. So for $9.95 a month, you get to be a member of Livegood. It's a one-time $40 sign-up fee. You can see all the people in the power line. This is a cool tool that you get for free. Other companies are charging $20-$30 just for systems. This is free for you guys to be able to use it and see how fast the company is growing. Take advantage of the power line system, the landing page with the video on it and exactly how everything is working. But as you can see, 25,000 people have joined that power line this week. So depending on when you pre-enrolled, if you're still a pre-enrollee and just looking at the opportunity tonight, you probably see several thousand people under you. If you just pre-enrolled, today, you might only see a few thousand, which is still a crazy number for just a few hours in the power line. That's how fast this company is growing. And at the same time, we're just getting started, guys. 200,000 people is a tiny number. And in the United States, for those of you who are here, we have less than 30,000 people, actually slightly over 30,000 people now. I think it's like 32,000. The opportunity is huge. As Nader mentioned, 65 million people in the network marketing industry. When you look at everyone who's buying health and wellness products, vitamins, and now they could get the highest quality products at the best prices anywhere, not just the best prices in the network marketing industry, the best prices anywhere for the highest quality products on the planet. So as far as the opportunity goes, all these people you see under you in the power line, at midnight tonight, all of those people are going to be placed into our matrix, our 2x15 forced matrix. That means forced matrix 2x means everyone has 2 frontline positions. Once those 2 spots are filled, the only place for everyone else to go is under the people who are already in. So for example, if you have 2 people on your front level and you sign up 2 more people, they're going to go under those people. That we call spillover. It's a team building compensation plan. So it helps people that may need a little help. And it really, really rewards people who go out there and share the opportunity. Now, let me clarify one thing. So all those people you see under you in the power line, they will not be under you in the matrix. I want to say that again, just to manage expectations. The people you see under you in the power line are not going to be under you in the matrix. That's to show you how fast the company is growing. Maybe 1 or 2 will fall under you. Probably not this week, but probably as we continue to grow, because it's not just the 25,000 people that this week that are going into the matrix. It's the 25 or 30,000 that are going in next week, the 100,000 that are going in next month, the million people who are going in over the next 6 to 12 months, the 2 to 3 million people who are going to be placed in the matrix in the next few years. The only place for those people to go is under the ones who are already in there. So there's 2 ways to build this company. Number 1, I call it the slow way, and that's to wait for spillover. You can actually earn over $2,000 a month without enrolling anyone if enough people fall under you in the matrix. In fact, just one person who falls under you in the matrix and builds and goes to work and starts sharing could very realistically be earning you hundreds, even thousands of dollars a month in residual income, even if you never enroll a single person. So that's a cool little thing. So that's the slow way. Order your products, use your products, get healthy, and just let your matrix build. Be patient. Again, it's not going to happen overnight. But again, the only place for all these people to go is under the ones who are already in there. The other way is the fast way. And that doesn't mean you have to go crazy and sign up 100 people, although that is a lot easier here than in a lot of other companies and a lot easier than you actually think it is. Because this is such an easy business to share. All you have to do, if you just tell 2 people about this opportunity, not only do you then triple your income potential in the matrix, you can still earn, instead of you earning $2,000 a month, you earn you can earn $4,000 a month, plus you're going to earn a 50% matching bonus on everyone you personally enroll. So the more people you personally enroll, the more checks you match. And we also have generations of matches. So you can actually be matching. I'm not going to get into super details on the compensation plan, but when you guys understand the power of the matching bonuses on a $10 a month program, and that you could be matching hundreds, even thousands of checks every single month of everything that they're getting paid on the matrix, that means you can get paid on just one person, the matrix, up to 15 different times, depending on where they are and how many people that you've enrolled and who are in your team above and between them. And I know that's a little confusing for a lot of people, but guys, when it's strong, it's powerful. And the coolest thing about this company and about this opportunity, and what makes me so happy and just, so it kind of justifies me coming back to this industry, is the amount of duplication that we're seeing. The people who have struggled in this industry, people who have never been able to enroll a single person, people who have tried 5, 10, 20 different companies and never had success, being able to enroll people, being able to make money here, being able to sign people up, build a team and have success, and do it easily, do it without having to stress out, and do it without having to try to convince your friends that a $60 product is better than the same $30 product that they see on Amazon. Because that's hard and it's not cool. But guys, and that's why I say, it really is a breath of fresh air. It's so easy to share these products. It's so easy to share this opportunity. And it's so fun to see people having success, many for the first time ever. I mean, there's so many testimonials of people who, again, have never made money and are now making $50, $100 a week, thousands of dollars a month in the matrix, and continuing to build and grow and duplicate. And, just last but not least, and then I'll turn over to Nader to close it out. But, most companies, you see about 3 to 5% duplication. And by that, I mean people who achieve rank in the company. We're at almost 30% of people in Livegood have already achieved the first rank in our company, which means they've already been in profit. And keep in mind, we're growing by over almost 15% a week right now. So a lot of the people who are in, 25,000 people this week weren't even in last week. And we're still talking about almost 30% of people have already achieved the first level of rank, already in profit, saving money on their products, which I consider is even more profit, and having fun, many for the first time ever, and finally believing again that this industry works, that this industry is fun, and it's exciting. So that's all I got. All you need to do to lock in your position, if you are still a pre-enrollee, you've got until midnight tonight. Go to securemyposition.com. That's securemyposition.com. Put in your email address. Click on Join Now. There's 2 options. It's $40 to become an affiliate and earn money in the compensation plan. And then to be a member, it's either $9.95 a month. So that's $49.95 total today, or $99.95 for the year. So plus the 40 is $139 for the year. You don't have to worry about monthly payments anymore. You can pay with credit card or crypto. And that's all I got. So make sure you do it tonight. Lock in your position. Get your place in the matrix before all those people who continue to join in the power line. And welcome aboard. With that, I'm going to turn over to Nader to tell you exactly what to do once you do sign up. Just one more minute, and then we will wrap it up. Thanks so much for joining us. Nader, take it away.
Hey, thank you so much. And well, ladies and gentlemen, again, I want to welcome you to our team. Welcome to our Livegood family. Just like Ben shared with you, in Livegood, unlike a lot of other companies in our industry, there is no requirement for you to purchase products, because we know when you see our prices, when you see the ingredient list, when you hear Lisa and Ryan and their heart, you're going to order them, especially with a 100% money back guarantee. So go ahead and do so. Pick some of the ones we have. Like he said, we have 100% empty bottle, no questions asked, 90-day money back guarantee. While you're waiting for your products to arrive, and if you place the product order tonight, they're going to be shipped out tomorrow morning. That being said, ladies and gentlemen, this is very important. Ben said, he just shared with you all that we have over 200,000 people that are affiliates with Livegood. That means there are 200,000 people out of 7 billion people in the world that are already involved with us and going out there and sharing Livegood with the masses. Now, what he didn't tell you is that there's over 900,000 other people that are taking a serious look at Livegood We call them tour takers. Many of them are on this call. Many of them are already upgraded. Many of them are reaching out to their friends. That being said, ladies and gentlemen, you just got on board. You placed your product order. Going to be shipped tomorrow. Go out there and reach out to your top 10 friends. Friends that you respect and love. Friends that you know they're smart like you and they can see we will be the Amazon of home-based business. Just like Amazon started with books, we're starting with the most advanced nutritional products on earth because everybody knows the importance of it. So reach out to 5 or 10 of your dearest friends. You're probably going to find 2 or 3 of them that are smart like you. Let's say only 2 of them come on board. Guess what just happened? First of all, as a business person, I want to congratulate you because you just got the whole $50 that cost you to get involved with Livegood back in your pocket. Like we say, you are whole now. The second thing that happened, which is super exciting that Ben talked about, and be on our Zoom tomorrow, our training Zoom tomorrow, we're going to share about that as well. You just became a bronze. Congratulations. That's our first rank. That's a very, very important rank because it's designed for everyone. You became a bronze. Congratulations. Just like he said, you just tripled your income potential in the matrix. You brought your dearest friends and showed them Livegood before they find us on Craigslist or some other website. And ladies and gentlemen, we are the future of home-based business. Just like we said, the same way Amazon started with books, we're starting with the most advanced nutritional products. Welcome to our family and see you at the Zoom tomorrow. Back to you, Ben.
Awesome. I hope you guys got that. This is just the beginning. Literally every product that we add, and over the next 2 to 5 years, I expect over 200 products, distribution centers all over the world, and just more value and opportunity for you guys. But I want to cover 2 more things that Nader said. But yeah, definitely share this before your friends hear it from someone else. We are growing super fast. People are going to find out about Livegood. Make sure they find out about from you. And last but not least, we have an awesome training and rank recognition Zoom every Friday, tomorrow at noon Eastern time. Get on that call. It's awesome. We've always got some great speakers and trainers on that call. They're exciting. We talk about announcements, things that are coming, how to build your business, how to maximize your income. And there's always some great tips and tools and strategies on there as well. So that's all we got. Place your product order tonight. We'll ship it out first thing tomorrow, and you'll have it in a few days. And that's all we got. Thank you so much for joining us, guys. Welcome aboard. Have a great night. We'll see you tomorrow. And we're out of here. Good night, guys.
Welcome to our family. See you on the next Zoom.
Thank you.
Don't
Good night,
forget
guys.
tomorrow's
Everybody.
training.
Yeah. See